Now, the next problem is the front view of a rectangular lamina of sides 30 mm by 20 mm is a square of 20 mm side. Draw the projections and determine the inclination of the surface of the lamina with HP and VP. So here again he has not given whether it is resting on HP or it is resting on VP. But he has given the only one condition is that the front view of a rectangular lamina of sides 30 mm by 20 mm is a square of 20 mm side. So since it is a square of 20 mm side, so how to take the initial position? There are two possibilities, that is 30 mm can be written vertical and then 20 mm can be taken horizontal and construct the rectangle, or 20 mm can be taken vertical and 30 mm can be taken horizontal. So which side we need to consider? Suppose if you take 30 mm as the vertical position and try to draw the rectangle of 30 mm by 20 mm. In the second position, it cannot be a square of 20 mm side because one side is already fixed, which is 30, but it is already the other side is 20, so it cannot form a square, but it has to be formed again and again. It is a rectangle only. So since he wants a square, so since it is a 20 mm side, so the 20 mm has to be vertical and then 30 mm should be the horizontal. If you take 30 mm, 30 mm can be reduced to 20 by rotating by certain angle with respect to the vertical plane. So that is what we can do. So that is how the initial position has to be considered, such that the 20 mm should be vertical and then 30 mm should be the horizontal position. So here the front view of a rectangular lamina of size 30 mm by 20 mm. So we have considered 20 mm here and 30 mm here. So here the surface is parallel to VP. Again, all the points are at equidistant from the vertical plane, that is A, B, C, D are at equidistant from the vertical plane. The distance with respect to the vertical can be assumed. Then also the distance with respect to the horizontal plane can also be assumed. That is, in front of VP and above HP can be assumed, whatever the distance we want. Then construct the rectangle. So since it is parallel to VP, obviously that should be perpendicular to HP, so you are getting a line here. And since this is parallel to VP, so when you look from the front view, you are going to get the true shape, that is the shaded portion that you can see here. You have the true shape here. Then the front view of a rectangular lamina of 30 mm is a square of 20 mm side. So the rectangle of 30 by 20, the rectangle of 20 by 30, when it is rotated by certain angle, till it becomes a square of 20 mm side. So what we have to do is, unlike in the previous problem, so you construct 20 mm square first. So you project from A dash, B dash, and you also draw a horizontal projector from CD, and then consider at any distance and draw a vertical line. You will get 20 mm obviously, because this is 20 and this is also 20. Then take A dash, B dash as 20 mm and construct a square. So you got A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and then since you have considered some distance, so when you are going to get a square of 20 mm side, when this surface, that is ABCD, is rotated by certain angle, with respect to vertical plane. So how to get that? You have AD, which is already been got this point. Then you project this B dash, C dash onto the top view and measure the length from AB, with this as center, cut an arc on this vertical projector. You will going to get this line, which is BC. So you know the surface inclination with respect to vertical plane. So that is what we have seen. So this is the distance of 20 and this is the distance of 30 when you are looking from the perpendicular to the direction, because the surface is already rotated. But actually from where we are looking perpendicular to this vertical plane. So obviously whatever the length you have here, that length will not be there here. So that will be 20 mm as given. So you have 20 mm here. When you look from the top view, you will going to get this true length, which is the 30 mm. So which is that 30 mm? We have written here that 30 mm is this. So from that 30 mm you are going to get this is also as 30 mm. Next. Then draw the projections and determine the inclination of the surface with surface of the lamina with HP and VP. But he has not given the third position distance, but he says determine the inclination of the lamina with HP and VP. So in this particular, what happens in this particular position, the surface is inclined to VP, which we have got the inclination, but still the surface is perpendicular to HP here. Since it is perpendicular to HP, you are getting a line here, but you have the surface here with respect to VP. But you know the inclination with respect to VP here, but still we have not seen the inclination with respect to HP. So when you are going to get the surface inclination with respect to both HP and VP, when it is perpendicular to profile plane. So when it has to be perpendicular to profile plane, what we have to do is we have to rotate the front view of this rotated position, that is AB, which is A dash B dash, which has become 20 mm square. You rotate this by an angle of 90 degree. So what we do is we rewrite the sketch here such that it is rotated, means A dash B dash, which is horizontal here, has become vertical here. So we have rotated by clockwise direction. So you can see A dash is here, B dash will come here, C dash will come here, D dash will come here. That means if A dash B dash becomes horizontal here, which has becomes vertical, then B dash C dash, which is vertical here, will become horizontal. So that means it is rotated by 90 degree. Once it is rotated by 90 degree, so then you project, that means you rewrite the sketch here, then project a vertical projector from A dash and B dash, which is A is here, so A will get here, B is here, B will get here. Similarly, draw a vertical projector from C dash and D dash here, and D is here, you project this till you get the point D, and C is here, you project this till you get the point C. Then write the profile view. How to write the profile view? So you draw an x1 y1 line and draw a 45 degree line, then draw a horizontal projector from AD to this 45 degree line, and then you project this. Where is AD? AD is here, so you will going to get the point here. So you are looking from the left side view, so D dash is near to the observer, so D double dash is visible. A dash is away from the observer, so it becomes invisible. Similarly, draw a horizontal projector onto 45 degree line here, which is CB, and then you project vertically up. Then you draw a horizontal projector from the profile view. So you are looking from here, C dash is near to the observer, so C double dash is visible and B double dash is invisible. So when you join this, you will going to get a line. If you can see here, you can see from here also, here the surface ABCD is inclined to HP and is also inclined to vertical plane. So that is the inclination theta here, that is the inclination phi here. So since you are looking from the left view, that is in 3D analysis, D double dash is near to the observer, it is visible. A is away from the observer, it is invisible. Similarly, C double dash is near to the observer, it is visible, and B double dash is away from the observer, it is invisible. So it is written in bracket. So this sketch and this sketch is very similar. So by looking from this, you can make out that the surface is inclined to VP and also the surface is inclined to HP, but still the surface is perpendicular to the profile plane. So only in the profile plane you can see the distance, you can see the angle with respect to HP and also in surface inclination with respect to VP only in the profile plane. Both we can see. Always when the problem is given with the surface inclination of with HP and VP, you must remember that always you have to write the profile view. Though this is the final 2D analysis here. So a square of 20, a rectangle of 20 mm by 30 mm is a rectangular lamina of 30 mm by 20 mm is rotated such that till it becomes a square of 20 mm side. Then draw the projections and find the inclination of the surface with respect to both HP and VP. So this is the surface here in the front view and also surface here in the top view. So since this is here also a surface and here also a surface, so that means this surface is inclined to HP and also the surface is inclined to VP, but it is perpendicular to the profile plane, so you are getting a line. So theta, which is the surface inclination with respect to HP, which is 41.81, and phi is the surface inclination with respect to VP, which will be 48.19. The sum of these two should always be equal to 90 degree. But here the decimal point is given only because it is worked in CAD. If it is manual, then it becomes 48, and here it becomes 42 degrees. Okay.